Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again. So I'm going to show you how to start a lawnmower with problems that have sticking problems with the starter. Okay, so if you have a starter that sticks, so like when you turn off your mower and your starter's going like ee, and you basically turn off your key, you have your key turned off and you pull it out, it's still going, and you basically turn off your battery, it stops, you're good, or you're all good. And then what's this doing on there? It's junk. Okay, so and then you basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to have your battery taken out and a good set of jumper cables. I don't know if you saw that, but you're gonna have a good set of jumper cables. So you're gonna have your jumper cables, battery, mower. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure your battery is out. Okay? Sorry guys. Basically, I don't know if this will work for other mowers, because I just found this trick out yesterday. So you're gonna want a 12 horsepower OHV engine, 4-cycle electronic ignition. Probably, I'm guessing, I don't know. But I don't know, you guys can try this at home if you want. I know it won't work with diesel engines. I don't even know if they make diesel engines for mowers. So I can get out of here, dog. So what you're gonna want to do is don't hook up your red first. Don't hook up your red first. Don't hook up the red one, the one that has the plus sign on it. What you're gonna do, you're gonna have it hooked up. Make sure it's touching the thing that has like all the signal, not your bolt. And then you're gonna take your other red one. Make sure, look on your battery. Don't put it on the plus. You will burn out your battery. Put it on the minus. Like plus and minus is doing dumb math. So you put it on, there'll be no spark, okay? So then you're gonna take your red one, and you're gonna hook it up. If I can. It's hard to do this with one hand. So when you have it done like me, red, red, black, black. So, and then you got your key off. If your starter is still stuck, that's fine. You're going to be fine. Because this tractor is going to be running with no battery. Okay, guys? No battery. You're going to take your plus. And so basically what you want to do is you want to have your thing on the turtle, on the low, okay? Because if you start it up on high, it could stall. And then, so, when you got your thing, when you got your plus, you're just going to want to put it on. It may give you a little bit of spark, so don't be scared of that. Oh, starter ain't stuck on mine. Okay, but that's weird. It normally is stuck. So basically it should be turning over. My engine is stuck. Okay, so there's your problem right there. Keys off, starter is stopped. You're gonna do this. You're gonna hook your engine. Okay, I don't think it's gonna start. So if it doesn't start, like mine, what just happened, I don't know why it didn't start yesterday. It started up quite fine. But, it's probably low on fuel. See that in there? I don't know if you can. Sorry guys, I'm not used to the whole camera thing. I'm just still new. So you basically want to have a tank of fuel ready. Look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful day here out in Alberta. So you're gonna want to have your gas tank ready. Oh, here's a different video I might do on this thing. I don't know how that gas tank still has fuel. But there's going to be a different video on that one day. You're going to have your gas ready. Do not have it oil mixed. Don't put oil in a 12-stroke engine. Well, 12 horsepower engine. Don't put oil in it. Okay? So I'm just going to probably find somewhere to set you guys up. I don't know if you can see me or not, but hi. So, you're gonna take your gas thing. Hopefully you know how to do your gas. You're just gonna put that wherever. Take your cap. Take your gas thing, whatever it's called. Take your thing. Screw it. And put it back on your gas tank. Don't put this lid back on. You won't get any gas. Okay? And then put it in your gas tank. Get your gas tank all full. Put your cap back on. Make sure you don't have anything in your gas, because you'll have problems with the engine later. And if you go searching up my channel, you ain't gonna find a difference, because I don't know how to change those. So you're gonna have your gas thing all set up like that. Also, really good. You have it set up. You put the little cap back on. This little cap. I don't know if you saw that or not, because I can't see my camera. And then, oh, it's almost empty. I didn't know. Okay, so I don't know if you saw any of that, but it's full now. I don't even know if you saw the difference. It's all full. So, yeah, and you SAE 30 oil. That's the oil that this engine takes, okay? If you're wondering. So if you're at home and you're asking, what oil does this thing take? What oil does this take? What oil, what oil, what oil? Don't go covering my comments with, what oil does this take? My starter is stuck again. That's fine. and you take your key off. Okay, you close your battery case. So basically, that's how you close your hood if you had it open, like me, but you don't drive with your hood open. That's just very dangerous. And then, yeah, I will. and then you have your battery all out. I showed you it ran with no battery in it. But when you're driving, your key's on, you're about to drive into a tree. If you don't know how to drive one of these things, you have it and you turn your key off, your engine will still stay running. So if you have an emergency like that, if you don't know how to drive one of these things, you take your steering wheel and you turn. Or you turn the other way, whatever way the tree is. And then basically all good from there. And you won't get this thing started if the pedal is up like this in gear. So when you have this like in whatever gear, I have it in 5th right now, it won't move. It will still be moving. Or if you don't know how to turn your steering wheel, all you have to do is do this, push that in. There should be a pin that sticks out. Where is it? There should be a pin that sticks out right there. When you press it in, it stays up, and you let go of the thing, and it should stop you. And then you take this and you push it over into neutral. What I always do to make sure it's not in gear, I do this. Go up and then basically you go like that. Put it in reverse if you don't know how to drive anything. So yeah. So that is how you get a vehicle to drive without having to bugger with your battery or anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Have a good day. Hope this works for you.